In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the quick unboxing and setup of your HP DeskJet 2755e printer. So let's start with the unboxing. Comes with the HP 67-inch cartridges. This printer comes with the two setup ink cartridges, so we have to use them. Open the ink cartridges. Also remove the seal that's here. Open the front door. Also open the ink cartridge chamber door. So the pink will go to the pink side and the black on the black side. Push it in and hold the printer with the other hand. You have to apply a little force and you hear a lock sound when it is installed. Close the door. You should be able to see a normal screen on your printer with the ink cartridges installed. Now we are ready to use this printer for copy. Next is to load the A4 size sheet at the rear paper tray. So here we can adjust the size. Load the page. For the copy, open the top scanner lid. Place the page facing down on the right hand side corner. We can press color or black. Press it once. Now next thing is to do the wireless setup of this printer. So we are going to connect this printer with the Wi-Fi network. So this is a new printer. It is already in the setup mode. Now go to your laptop. Go to the Windows 10 laptop and open the HP Smart app. You can download this app from the App Store. In the app we have to add the printer. So click on the plus button. You should be able to see HP DeskJet 2700 setup. Select it. Click continue. It can access the password of your Wi-Fi automatically. Click continue. Press the flashing information button on the printer screen. Printer is connected to the Wi-Fi. Click continue. You can also connect to the printing services, so accept it. Activate the HP Plus, or if you want you can deactivate it and you can do it later. You can decline it, so it just depends if you want to activate it or not. You can enable the ink delivery or you can disable it. Select remind me later or you can skip the offer. You can select auto updates for your printer. You can send link to other devices or you can skip it. Setup is complete. We can print this welcome sheet or you can skip it. You should be able to see your printer with estimated level of ink. We can also use this printer for wireless printing and scanning. For example, to scan a document, click on scan button. You need to have a HP account to do the scanning. So just sign in with your HP account or you can create a one. Now place a page on the printer screen for the scanning. So it should be facing downwards like this on the right hand side corner. Go to the printer, go to the laptop and select all the details you want, like it's a document, color, size, resolution, and click on the scan icon. Scan is transferred. So this way we can do the complete setup of this printer, and we can use it for wireless printing and scanning using a wireless setup. Thanks for watching.